Hello, for today's video, I'm gonna make fried, crispy, and delicious tiny sardines recipe. In here, I already prepared cleaned and washed tiny sardines and a tablespoon of flour and corn flour, teaspoon of salt and black pepper, and of course cooking oil. And now let's get started. Now let's mix our prepared seasoning. And seasoned our cleaned and washed sardines. Let's mix all together. Now we seasoned our tiny sardines. Set aside. Now with our frying pan, let's put 4 tablespoons of cooking oil. Spread it and let's heat the oil and medium fire. Now once the oil is hot enough, let's start frying our seasoned sardines. Let's fry all together. Spread. And let's fry it for about 5 minutes on each side. Leave it for 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, let's flip on the other side. Flip it carefully to not break. Now let's fry again another 5 minutes on the other side to make it crispier. And after 5 minutes, our fried crispy and delicious tiny sardines is ready to serve. Turn off the gas. And now let's transfer it in our serving plate. So yummy.
Mom, is my favorite fish done?
Yes, it's done. Now let's decorate it with sliced lemon.
So crispy and delicious.